My YouTube channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you want your hair to be like this, stay tuned for the rest of the video and let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're starting off with this 32-inch transparent 4x13 lace. The density of this wig is 220 and the wig cap size is average. I did get this wig off of Aliexpress. It came with a lot of things such as the wig cap with 2 of them. That is how the wig looked before I started plucking it. It is a body wave wig. It even came with the headband. This is the extra one with the company's logo on it. And they also gave me not 1, but 2 pair of lashes and a card that shows how to take care of the hair. I have this BW2 powder and 40 developer to bleach the knots. I have these tweezers that you can use from anywhere. And I also have this wax stick from my local beauty supply store. So I already mixed up the bleach and powder into this plate. And now I'm about to start applying it to the wig. And when you start applying it, you want to start applying it to the back first because the knots are thicker in the back. It'll be easier for the knots to lighten in the front. This is how it should look once you're done applying the mixture. Then you want to let it sit for about 20 minutes until this aluminum foil and then wash it out. I'm just combing the wig out so that I can start plucking the wig. Right here I'm just making my part. I am doing the side part. That is how it looks once I got done. And the wig is still wet. So right now I'm just starting off on the side. I'm making a small part in the front. I got my tweezers and I'm plucking away from the sideburn. You don't want to pluck in the same spot. You want to always pluck in a different spot, going back towards the hair. This is a tedious process. You do not want to pluck too hard because you do not want to make holes in the wig. Right here, I just made another part behind the part that I just plucked, and then I start plucking again. This is how the wig looked after I finished plucking it. I'm about to put this wig cap on my head. I used a layer of Got2b glue and now I'm just blow drying it. I have this MAC foundation that I'm about to use my brush. I'm about to use my brush to blend it in all over my head. Then I'm applying a layer of ghost bond glue and blow drying that out. Y'all, look at this wig. I ain't even laid it down yet and it's already giving scalp. Period. So I'm just using my brush to brush it out. I also went ahead and already put the makeup onto the wig as well. Right now I'm just measuring it to see where I want to lay the wig, where I want to place it down at. And then I'm going to make 3 cuts. I only do this because it is easier for me. And now I'm going to cut out the sideburns, side pieces, to make sure that the wig lays flat, into my head. Now that the wig is measured, I'm going to fold it back and start placing the ghost bond glue around the edges of my hair, and I'm going to smooth that down. As y'all can see, I'm using a blow dryer to dry it. You can use the high setting on cool. Second layer, doing the same thing, making sure you get on both sides, smoothing it out, blow drying it. On the third layer, I don't let it dry all the way because then the lace will not stick as well as I want it to. As I'm laying it, I'm starting off in the middle and then I'm going on the side. I'm using the comb to help smooth it out and flatten it. Now that the wig is on, I'm going to use this elastic band to wrap around my edges to make sure that the wig is secure. I'm going to leave this on for a little bit and then I'm going to take it back off when it's time to cut the lace. Yes, let's get into it, y'all. I would say that this wig is thick. It is 220 density, baby. Period. Yes, you see it. Stiff wear. Right here, you see me making my part. And now I'm using a wax stick to make sure that it is laid, okay? We don't want any humps, lumps, or bumps in it, baby, okay? So we're gonna smooth all that out using a hot comb. I do have the temperature on 400 degrees. Let's just take a second, y'all. Somebody tell me where it is, because I cannot find it. You're gonna get your razor, and then you want to start in the middle if you made 3 tabs like me. So I'm just gonna start in the middle and start cutting it. You do not want to cut it in a straight line. You want to make kind of like a zigzag when you cut. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call, that you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you wanna waste your time, yeah, waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. You're gonna give it what you need. Waste your time. You could have all the space. All you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. And I've been worried about them. Girl, you wanted I see. I just took out 3 pieces of hair for the baby hairs. I'm gonna smooth them down with gel, and then I'm gonna flat iron them. I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time, yeah. Waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. You're gonna waste your time. Waste your time. You're gonna use this same band to place around your hair to lay that part down, and then after that you're gonna use the curling iron or a small flat iron to curl your baby hairs, and you're also gonna cut it at this time with the eyebrow razor. Close your eyes to get away. Bang my knot and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm taking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass in the park.
apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a start. It get plenty things kinda life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, it's chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting it. The pessimist gold medalists flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check her, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I was an actor, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that? If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space.
Yes, y'all, look at this lace. It is very much laid. I know that's right.
If you got time to
Thank you all for watching this video. I hope that it was beneficial to you and I hope that you learned something. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thank you.